Let's decode why buying a company car isn't the same as paying for petrol. Your accountant will thank you for this one. So, what's the real difference between capital expenditure, CapEx, and revenue expenditure, REVEX? Think of CapEx as buying things that last, like buildings, machines, that fancy office chair. These are investments that help your business grow and work better for years. Now, revenue expenditure. That's your business's everyday running costs, like rent, salaries, utility bills. These keep the lights on, but don't stick around for long. Here's an analogy. If your business was a cricket team, CapEx is like buying bats, protective gear. You need them season after season. REVEX is hiring the bus each time you travel to a match. Super important, but a one-time thing. From an accounting perspective, CapEx gets added to your balance sheet and is depreciated over time. Revenue expenditure? It's a direct hit on your profit and loss statement. Knowing the difference isn't just for accountants. It helps you plan smarter, claim the right tax benefits, keeps your finances in top shape. At Bajaj Finserv, we believe in empowering you with simple yet powerful financial knowledge. So the next time you make a business purchase, you'll know exactly where it fits, CapEx or REVEX. Stay tuned for more financial tips, only with Bajaj Finserv.